Hey guys, I'm going to be test flying the 3D printed goose guy with the 3D printed bearing block, so it's just another test flight. Before getting to that flight, I did realize that the screw on the top plate of the bearing block that holds in the bearing was actually butting up against the swash plate. So if you move the servos down at an angle, the swash plate itself was actually rubbing up against the mounting screw that holds in the bearing block. So I'll make that modification. I did fly it as is with the 4 screws that you guys saw previously in my previous video, but I'll make that modification prior to the release of this part. And I hope you guys liked the flight. It flew just perfectly fine with no issues, but you guys will definitely get the upgraded bearing block design. Hope you enjoy. Guys, still flies smooth as ever, and yeah, everything looks like it's good to go. So I'll be putting this bearing block on Thingiverse and Printables when you guys are ready to print it for your own goose guy. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.